Many people use the phrase brain surgery to describe something that is difficult. Or sometimes they say it's rocket science when they are trying for something that's very hard to do. But I want to talk about the most difficult thing that humans can do, which is to improve the quality of the life in a way that's sustainable, that's fair, and it makes real, just, and lasting change happen in your community. The important thing is that it isn't something like shooting a rocket. It isn't something like giving a gift. It isn't any magical silver bullet solution. It is bringing together the parts in a social system so that they work more effectively and efficiently. And to understand this, we have to turn to complexity theory. And within complexity theory, a sub-theory that's called emergence, which is how does a positive new world, a new situation emerge out of the old? Because something happens in society at times. Fear comes forward and its societies become less effective. Hope rises in communities and societies become more effective. How to make that positive change emerge out of societies? Nothing else obviously happened, but something emerged all of a sudden, and the parts that were there became functioning in a new method, in new order, with new results. This idea of emergence is what Seed Scale seeks to provide you with tools whereby you can help emerge in your community a new way of life. And to do that, the Seed Scale offers you 4 principles. It offers 7 tasks by which to implement the principles. And it then presents 5 criteria by which you can constantly monitor and modify the change that is underway so that out of the change, a new society emerges that fits your values, that uses your resources, and that is headed to your priorities. This emergence process is driven according to the emergence sub-theory of complexity theory, because what is critical, what is determinative, is the relationship between the parts. The parts can remain the same. New parts can come in. But when the relationships change, then the society changes. And in the instance of trying to create a better society, one that is just and one that is more durable and will last, the first part of that process is to grow hope. Hope that you know is going to lead to a better life. And that hope begins with finding your successes so that you see what you have done. It then moves to the second principle, which is to create a 3-way partnership between the top down and the outside in order to grow the bottom up. And once that partnership is building from successes, then you have to get evidence. Because with evidence, those facts will bring together factions in your community. And as factions start to come together, building on evidence, working as a team, growing from the successes, the 4th principle comes into play, which is behavior change. And as we change behaviors, we can do almost anything. We can improve our health, we can improve our wealth, we can improve our security, we can take care of the environment or our children. So the challenge before us that Seed Scale is giving you a method to address this challenge is one of learning how to deal with the complex, adaptive system that is your community, that is always changing and always has the opportunity for you to take advantage of that change to create a better change. Thanks very much.